Just when you think you had R410A all figured out, here comes another new refrigerant. The new refrigerant composition is a mixture of R32 and R1234YF. It is R454B, and Carrier is promoting it as their Puron Advanced Refrigerant. R454B refrigerant is being classified as an A2L refrigerant. This means that it is a flammable refrigerant. R454B is rated as a A2L refrigerant, which is a Class 2L, lower burning velocity Class 2S. R454B is listed as an extremely flammable gas by the European Union regulation. ASHRAE and A2L classification lists it as a mildly flammable gas. It is one of the best candidates to replace the widely employed R410A in new direct expansion air conditioning, heat pump, and chiller equipment. So this is what the homeowner is going to see, and some techs will believe that this is going to happen. It will be your job to explain the A2L classification to your technicians and to the homeowners that you sell this product to. By comparison with refrigerants that are flammable, for years R290 has been used as a good refrigerant. R290 is propane, and it is a Class 3 highly flammable refrigerant. But as to date, there have been no catastrophes because of propane being used in a sealed system as a refrigerant. You will note that R454B, or Puron Advanced Refrigerant, it has a global warming potential of 466. This is the main reason that it has been chosen to replace R410A, as R410A has a global warming potential of 2090. With the new refrigerant transition, there will be various things that will be required of this. The first thing will be training and certification will probably be required. ACA and the ESCO Institute already have training programs in place for this new refrigerant. Units will have labels indicating the flammability rating of this refrigerant. There will be a slightly lower evap and condensing pressures, which will make you guys out there that were all excited about the high pressure of 410A happy. Discharge temperature will be slightly higher on these units. Refrigerant leaks can be topped off as there is no fractionalization with this refrigerant. Refrigerant cylinders will have left-handed threads, so an adapter will be needed to access this refrigerant. It will use POE oil, so there will be no considerations of changing oil on these systems. New refrigerant will be for new systems only. You will not be able to retrofit this refrigerant into older systems. Special parts will be needed to eliminate sources of ignition in the system, and gas sensors will be part of the equipment parts required.